Have a look if the car's got any damage on it. For example, if you can see like panels don't line up, don't be buying cars like that. You can see like the wing and the doors, the gap is different than the other side of the car. Have a look at all of the gaps on the car to see if they're all the same size, which they should be. When you're looking at door gaps, if you're buying a second-hand car, you have to look at the panels, make sure they're straight. If you see any inconsistencies, it's generally been in a crash. So you need to make sure like the line on the bonnet and the wing is all the same distance. And the same on the other side, like it fits nice around the headlights. Gaps on the bumper, they line up. And these gaps are the important ones. So as you can see, this is a little bit thinner on this car. As it gets to the top, it's a bit wider. But you want them all roughly the same distance. If you see a gap which is close and one apart, it's generally because the panels have been hit and it's had a crash. So just be very careful. I'd suggest you take maybe somebody who knows what they're looking at if you're buying a second-hand car, but if you can't, just take in mind, just look at these general things like the gaps on the doors. They all line up the same and they're all nice and even, which is what you want. On the bonnet you can tell, it's hard to line the panels up, and that's where it leaves a bit of sign that you can see that it's had a crash. Like that one and that one are the same.